Hey everyone, welcome to MOOC Math Teaching Node.js, MongoDB, and Angular for Web Development. In this course, we will be talking about learning Node.js, learning MongoDB, using Express to make life easier, learning Angular, and advanced Angular. We'll start by introducing the Node.js to Angular stack, the JavaScript primer, then we're going to be learning Node.js. We're going to be using events, listeners, timers, and callbacks in Node.js. Also, handling data input-output with Node.js. Then we'll learn how to access the file system once again with Node.js. And then how do we implement HTTP service. And then we'll learn about socket services. After that, we're going to get into scaling applications using multiple processors. And then we're going to use additional Node.js modules that you may be interested in. After that, we're going to MongoDB. So first we have to understand NoSQL and MongoDB. And then we're going to get started making our first MongoDB database. Then we'll combine MongoDB and Node.js. After that, we're going to manipulate MongoDB documents from Node.js. After that, we'll learn how to access a MongoDB from Node.js. And then we're going to use mongoose for a structured schema and validation. After that, we'll explore some more advanced MongoDB concepts. In the next part, we're going to use Express to make life easier. We're going to implement Express with Node.js, and then we're going to use Express using middleware. After that, we're going to move on to Angular. Angular uses TypeScript, so first we're going to do a TypeScript primer, and then we're going to get started with Angular. First, we'll talk about Angular components, and then expressions, and then data binding. Then we'll talk about the built-in directives, and then we'll have some topics on advanced Angular, such as custom directives, events and change detection, implementing Angular services and web applications, and creating your own custom Angular services. Finally, we're going to have some fun with Angular. So, let me welcome you to Node.js, MongoDB, and Angular web development. This course is designed to catapult you into the world of using JavaScript, from the server and services to the browser client in your web development projects. Some of the most exciting and innovating technologies emerging in the world of web development. This introduction covers who should go through this course, what you're going to achieve after taking this course, what the heck are Node.js, MongoDB, and Angular anyways, and why are they great, how's this course organized, and where to find the code. Let's get started. Who should take this course? This course is aimed at watchers who already have an understanding of the basics of HTML and have done some programming in a modern programming language. Having an understanding of JavaScript will make this course easier to digest, but is not required, because the course does cover the basics of JavaScript. Why you should watch this course? This course will teach you how to create powerful, interactive websites and web applications from the web server and services on the server to this browser-based interactive web application. The technologies covered here are all open source, and you will be able to use JavaScript for both the server-side and browser-side components. Typical watchers of this course want to master Node.js and MongoDB for the purpose of building highly scalable and high-performing websites. Typical course watchers also want to leverage the model view controller or model view model approach of Angular to implement well-designed and structured web pages and web applications. Overall, Node.js, MongoDB, and Angular provide an easy-to-implement, fully integrated web development stack that allows you to implement amazing web applications. What you will learn from this course. Watching this course will enable you to build real-world dynamic websites and web applications. Websites no longer consist of simple static content and HTML pages with integrated images and formatted text. Instead, websites have become much more dynamic, with a single page often serving as the entire site or application. Using Angular technology allows you to build into your web page logic that can communicate back to the Node.js server and obtain necessary data from the MongoDB database. The combination of Node.js, MongoDB, and Angular allows you to implement interactive, dynamic web pages. The following are just a few of the things that you will learn while reading this book. How to implement a highly scalable and dynamic web server using Node.js and Express. The following are just a few things that you will learn from watching this course. implement a highly scalable and dynamic web server using Node.js and its graphs. How to build server-side web services in JavaScript. How to implement a MongoDB data store for your web applications. How to access and interact with MongoDB from Node.js and JavaScript code. How to define static and dynamic web routes and implement server-side scripts to support them. How to define your own custom Angular components that extend the HTML language. How to implement client-side services that can interact with the Node.js web server. How to build dynamic browser views that provide rich user interaction. How to add nested components to your web pages. How to implement Angular routing to manage navigation between client application layers. So, what is Node.js? Node.js, sometimes referred to as just Node, is a development framework that is based on Google's V8 JavaScript engine. You write Node.js code in JavaScript, and then V8 compiles it into machine code to be executed. You can write most or maybe even all your server-side code in Node.js, including the web server and the server-side scripts and any supporting application functionality. The fact that the web server and supporting web application scripts are run together in the same server-side application allows for much tighter integration between the web server and the scripts. The following are just a few reasons Node.js is a great framework. JavaScript end-to-end. One of the biggest advantages of Node.js is that it allows you to write both server and client-side scripts in JavaScript. There have always been difficulties in deciding whether to have logical client-side scripts or server-side scripts. With Node.js, you can take JavaScript written on a client and easily adapt it for the server, and vice versa. The added plus is that client developers and server developers are speaking the same language. Event-driven scalability. Node.js applies a unique logic to handle web requests. Rather than having multiple threads waiting to process web requests, with Node.js, they are processed on the same thread using a basic event model. This allows Node.js web servers to scale in ways that traditional web servers can't. Extensibility. Node.js has a great following and an active development community. People are providing new modules to extend Node.js functionality all the time. Also, it is simple to install and include new modules in Node.js. You can extend a Node.js project to include new functionality in minutes. Fast implementation. Setting up Node.js and developing it are super easy. In only a few minutes, you can install Node.js on a working web server. Now, what is MongoDB? MongoDB is an agile and scalable NoSQL database. The name Mongo comes from the word humongous, emphasizing the scalability and performance MongoDB provides. MongoDB provides great website backend storage for high-traffic websites that need to store data, such as user comments, blogs, or other items because it is quickly scalable, means it's easy to implement. Because it is quickly scalable and easy to implement. The following are some of the reasons that MongoDB really fits well in the Node.js stack. Document orientation. Because MongoDB is document oriented, data is stored in the database or format that is very close to what when you deal with work in the server-side one and client-side hoops. This eliminates the need to transfer data from rows to objects and back. High performance. MongoDB is one of the highest performing databases available, especially today with more and more people interacting with websites. It is important to have a back end that can support heavy traffic. High availability. MongoDB's replication model makes it easy to maintain scalability while keeping high performance. High scalability. MongoDB's structure makes it easy to scale horizontally by sharing the data across multiple servers. Horizontal, like my dick. No SQL injection. MongoDB is not susceptible to SQL injection, that is, putting SQL statements in loop columns or other input from the browser, and compromising database security, which would be a damn shame. That's where I store my furry porn. This is the case because objects are stored as objects, not using SQL strings, aka sticky ropes going on my wiener. What is Angular? My wiener is perfectly straight, but maybe yours has abandoned it. That's called an angle. It's also a client-side JavaScript framework developed by Google. The theory behind Angular is to provide a framework that makes it easy to implement well-designed and structured web pages and applications using a Moodle framework. Angular provides functionality to handle user input in the browser, manipulate data on the client side, and control how elements are displayed in the browser view. God, this is fucking boring. Here are some of the benefits Angular's. I can't even get through the first 10 pages of this quiz. Fuck this quiz. Holy shit, I wanna kill myself already. Data binding. Angular has a clean method for binding data to HTML elements. Okay, great. I'm done. Fuck this. How the fuck do you nerds do this shit? This is so fucking boring. Holy shit, I wanna kill myself. I'm 4 pages into this goddamn book, and I wanna kill myself. How the hell does anyone do this shit? This is so fucking... You guys are fucking dull if you like this shit. You are dull. Don't learn this shit. Just do anything but this. Please, do anything but this. This is not worth it. It's not worth the money. Holy shit, this sucks. I can't read anymore. I feel gross. I feel dirty reading this shit. It's fucking disgusting. I'm tapping out. This is disgusting, guys. See you in the next episode.